Hey guys, Peter Brissett here with this monthly marketing message. And I want to talk to you this month a little bit about the way your website is actually being viewed and the actual size of screen that your website is being viewed on. So this is a website called W3 Counter, and it's got global stats based on current monthly trends on the platforms that are being used to view your website. So the first thing that you see here is that predominantly 60% of users viewing websites are using Chrome. That's the highest used browser. Internet Explorer is less than 7% of the total users that are viewing websites. Safari is 15%. So by and large, users are using Chrome. So you need to make sure that your website first looks good in Chrome. The other thing that is interesting in this report is it gives us the top 10 screen resolutions. And if you'll see here, the top here at 26% is 640 by 360. That's mobile. 1366 by 768 is probably a tablet version of it. And then 1024 by 768 is probably also tablet. So this could be small laptops as well. But you can see here, you've got a big chunk of views, predominantly that are much smaller screens. Only 6% are this full view, 1920 by 1080, which is basically a full screen view. But only 6% are viewing it that size. The vast majority are viewing your site when it's smaller. So you can also verify some of this data in Google Analytics. So if you look in your Google Analytics, you can go to Audience under Technology, Browser, and OS. And you can see this is just last 12 months for this particular client, but you can see the number of users with Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, and you can see those numbers pretty much match up there as well. It doesn't tell us screen size, unfortunately, which would be good, but you can look at how your site's being viewed, desktop versus mobile. Now, in this particular case, still largely desktop, but this varies on website to website. A lot of websites, depending on who your target market is, you'll see mobile as the higher number. So just some good basic information on when you look at your website, the different ways you should be looking at it in terms of the browsers you should be using, and what's optimum screen size that you should be using to make sure that your audience can see and view your website properly and get the information that they need. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you need any help with this or want us to review your website to see how it looks with different screen sizes and to make sure that you're getting the most out of it, reach out to us, let us know. We'd be glad to help you out with that. Thank you.